An example of someone's reflection and the reflection page. This particular child chose to actually write a poem about what reflection means to her. As you can tell over here, it got kind of cut off when I went to copy it, but her poem is reflection, remember it all, reflection, keep bringing it back, reflection, look at your true soul, reflection, a comfort, scared. Okay, so the one thing that you need to make sure that you have for sure when you start to write your poem, to do your rough draft, you need to put it in poetry form. So poetry form does not mean that you have to rhyme on every line or even every other line or rhyme, period. So long as it has some sort of poetry pattern. Like for example, if I went to go grade this one, I could tell that it's written like a poem because it's not a complete sentence. These are thoughts. And then the other thing is that reflection is a word that keeps coming back into this poem. Okay, so as long as you have something that symbolizes that it is a poem, you should be okay. Now, if you choose to not write about what a reflection is to you, and you want to write about something specifically, like something that you do reflect back on frequently in your life, then you can do that. Now, some of you that's going to be a little hard and you're like, what? So probably you should, if that's you, like wondering, what do you mean? Something that I think about frequently that I reflect on. Then what you need to write about is reflection. What does reflection mean to you? So this child wrote about what it means to her. Now the other thing is that you need to make sure that your words are spelled correctly, that you have commas where they need to go. If you do write a sentence, put your period where it belongs. Make sure you have capital letters if they belong in there. You also need to have a title. Maybe yours is titled Reflection. Maybe yours is titled something different like My Soul or Looking Back. Okay, so title, make sure your words are spelled correctly, have it be in poetry form, and then of course, obviously, you need to have some time and effort put into this. Have some sort of decoration, like she's got a nice little border around her poem here. Her letters are made nicely and colored in well, and you'll be given this little shiny mirror. So make it look appealing to the eye. If you do all those things, you should get your full points for it.